Hi everyone, today we're going to do something slightly different from our unboxings of front door fashion. Today the focus will be on the color fashion trends for spring 2023. My lovely stylist Bethany has written out her expertise behind the scenes on the choice of colors and the history of the trend. I will share that with you with a voiceover. Bethany has picked colors not only for the trend value, but also on what she thinks might look great with my gray hair. Pinks. Thanks to Barbie's resurgence in popularity and upcoming movie, barbiecore is one of the earliest and accurately predicted trends for spring 2023. It is exactly what you'd think. Pink, pink, pink. All pinks are a go. Pantone is reporting pinks ranging from viva magenta, the color of the year, and beetroot purple, which is basically just fuchsia, to crystal pink, a soft, romantic pink. So this first outfit definitely has the barbiecore vibe. However, it's much more sophisticated for women of a certain age. The belt is metallic, and metallic was huge in the fall. If you remember, you can take a look at my fall trends. It's still going strong in the runways for spring. She sent this lovely blouse with the different hints of pink, and of course the Barbie pink blazer, which is going to be super hot this season. Along with that, she had the frayed bottom jeans in a lighter shade. However, I did not even try them on because the buttons were so difficult to open. I didn't want to fuss with them. So I'm wearing my own jeans with the frayed bottoms. They're just a little bit darker. To complete the look, I'm wearing black booties. Oh, and if you're wondering why I always hold the microphone, I am severely allergic to the little microphone pads itself. I just put it on for a second and I broke out. But obviously it's not something that we need right away. This next outfit is super fun, and you get to see the pants like the jeans that you sent before. This is exactly the same brand and the same cut with the frayed ends and the button-up fly. It's exactly the same jeans, which is awesome. You get to see it. Yay, how wide the pants are. And all it is that we did was continue with the multi-color shirt, and this is a violet ice pair of pants, again with the belt. Violet and lavender. Depending on which fashion publication you reference, you might see violet haze or lavender haze. But the point is hazy. Soft hues of purple, often seen paired with these hazy hues, are darker, richer purples, a variation of the continued tonal dressing trend. And now we've entered definitely date night material. This top is such a beautiful fit. First of all, the color is just simply gorgeous, so rich, and it looks like the petals of some exotic flower. Just gorgeous. It is a tank top, and I lost my favorite strapless bra, so I'll be wearing my hair over my shoulders to cover the straps, but you can take a look. Also, she recommended that we wear these with either moto jacket or jeans. I tried the jeans and I wasn't in love with it, maybe because it's my jeans. Maybe if it were the white jeans, I would have liked it better. Greens, the color of growth, the color of wealth, the color of a lack of experience, which can be positively spun into meaning new beginnings. That's right. This spring, two versions of green in particular stand out. The first, lovebird, more commonly recognized as chartreuse. It is limey, it is unique. It's not for everyone, but when it's right, it is perfect. Those who cannot quite confidently wear chartreuse don't need to worry, because classic green is the second incredibly flattering green of the season. This is a lovely look, and I would definitely think that a wider pair of pants would look fantastic with this outfit, but I'm still wearing my same dark pants. But if you could imagine the wide-legged pants, it would be so in trend right now. This top is beautiful. First of all, I love green, and this is such a beautiful green. The citrine green, I think it's called lovebird earrings. This would be a great option if you can't wear green overall, but you can just wear it in your little accents, and it would be so lovely. You can be on trend and still look healthy when you're wearing green. She also mentioned wearing a moto jacket right now while it's still cool outside. I don't own one, but I do have this older metallic jacket. It's leather, and it's exactly the same color as the belt, and it would be so lovely, but it doesn't fit me anymore as I've outgrown it. I'll show you, and I'll put my hair down too. Oh, look at some of the details of the shirt. And here I am wearing the same pants, belt, earrings, but with the vegetal I think that's what it's called, sweater that I got from the last box. Take a look. Red or orange? Is it red? Is it orange? We have this debate among the stylists frequently, but either way, it is on trend. Both Fiery Red and Tangelo are top of Pantone's list, and I sent an option that looks like those two trend colors were mixed together. For this look, is it red or is it orange? I matched it up with my Chanel. I believe it's Impeccable. I can never tell, is it orange or is it red? She had me wear it with white jeans, and she sent me a pair of Hudson's that didn't fit me. So I guess I'm off with the Hudson brand. I don't know what fits and does not fit. But again, the Hudson pair was more of a boot cut, whereas my white pair is a straight-legged jean. And I'm wearing it with black boots and to complete the look, a jean jacket. Both this and the next look, we can wear either the white pants or the dark pants with it. So I will just show it right here so that you know what they look like. I kind of like this color. I think it's a fun color, especially with white. So I forgot to show you that the red orange top has this beautiful zipper, gold and very elegant, and you can see it from far away. So I think it's a beautiful detail. Blues. Various versions of bold blues are an easy pairing with silver hair, but I wanted to give a softer, toned down color option for those who prefer understated color choices. Summer Song is described as clean blue tone that expresses relaxation and tranquility, the color equivalent of a deep, calming breath. Same look, different top. This one is almost like a heather blue. Now take a look at the same outfits but with the dark jeans, and these are also Hudson jeans, but they're super wide. I love them. They're out of my price range for now because I'm tired of spending over $200 in jeans. If I were to buy them, I'd have to just get this much off the bottoms because they're, even with high heels, they are dragging. But I do need a pair of darkest jeans with very wide legs, and these are fantastic. Here's a detail on the top, this blue top that I don't think I showed before. Isn't that beautiful? Has a little bit of weave. These jeans are super comfortable. I love them. Okay guys, before I finish putting my makeup on, I wanted you to see this. I've been talking about this by Terry CC serum that I purchased, mixed it with the darker color, and look at how gorgeous. I have nothing on but that. Look at that beautiful sheen. Let me know what you guys think.